Shark Hydrovac XL and Bissell Crosswave are the most popular cordless vacuums in the market and have won the hearts of customers worldwide. We are going to look at the key differences so that you can make a clear decision about which one is right for your needs. The link to buy both products is available in description. Shark Hydrovac Cordless XL Vacuum. It has powerful suction that quickly pulls dirt, wet messes, stains and grime and leave a streak-free clean surface. It has self-cleaning system that helps to prevent dirt from your floor, and its brush roll is treated with antimicrobial substance, which preserves roller for long-time use. It is concentrated with odor neutralizer technology that instantly eliminates and prevents odor from reforming on floors. It has debris filtration technology in the dirty water tank that is designed to separate solids from liquids, so you can quickly and easily empty the tank. It has intelligently designed system in the XL Clean Tank that provides smart suction and flow control and maximize cleaning efficiency. It has LED display that provides real-time battery life indicator, surface type and tank levels. It is cordless vacuum that provides seamless transition between rooms without being tied to an outlet. Bissell Crosswave Cordless Vacuum. It has 36 volts lithium-ion battery that provides up to 30 minutes of cordless cleaning power. It provides edge-to-edge cleaning along baseboards and in corners of your home. It has Wi-Fi connected capability, so with the Bissell app you can get helpful alerts, maintenance tracking and usage tips. It has two-tank technology that helps you to dispense water and solution while dirty water is stored in a separate water tank. It has self-cleaning cycle that flushes out dirt, hair and debris after each use so it is ready for the next use. It has 3-in-1 docking station that helps you to conveniently stores vacuum anywhere in your home. Its multi-surface cleaning capability lets you to switch for cleaning from sealed hard floors to refreshing area rugs in an instant. Both cordless vacuums are equipped with amazing features, but Bissell Crosswave has the edge over Shark Hydrovac XL Cordless Vacuum. Its panel is featured with the touch of a button that helps you to seamlessly switch from cleaning hard floors to vacuuming and refreshing your area with this all-in-one machine.